I'm making this video on how to use Samsung Pay. I'm actually using my watch because the phone isn't as strong as what the watch is. I'm at a Shell gas station and they don't have the NFC little reader or whatever. I bought a blank card off of eBay. It has to be a blank card, never used, never issued, because an outdated card still has like a frequency going out on it, and it'll pick up on that instead of your watch or your phone. The phone does work, it's just not as good. I've used this everywhere but Maverick stations. Maverick stations, I never can really get them to work. I'm gonna put you in my shirt pocket because this place is busy and I don't want the attention, and hopefully you can see how I do it. Yeah, I think you can see. All went through on a pump like that. All you gotta do is put the card really close and your watch right up against it as you pull it out. Couldn't quite see how I did it, so I'm gonna redo it. Slide that in.
It's time for the word of the day.
It in. Hopefully you've seen the video. Went really close to it and it works. Worked the very first time. If it doesn't work, all it does is come up and say please reinsert card, and normally after 3 times you'll just have to push cancel sale. I rarely ever have to do that. There's like a sweet spot on each pump, and if you're always getting gas at the same pump, same place, which most people do. I'm a trucker, so I'm everywhere. And yeah, to prove that I've been to almost every pump, all my rewards cards. 3 cents off a gallon when you're getting 100 gallons definitely helps. Hopefully you liked the video.